Tired of tire troubles ruining your summer fun? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some top-notch tips. With scorching summer temperatures, your tires are at a higher risk of blowing out or experiencing a flat. First things first, make sure to regularly check the air pressure in your tires. Underinflated tires can overheat and lead to disaster on the road. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles to ensure even wear and prolong their lifespan. Don't forget to inspect your tires for any signs of wear and tear, such as bulges, cuts, or tread depth below 1/16 of an inch. Hot asphalt can be a tire killer, so try to avoid driving on it as much as possible to prevent excessive heat buildup. Maintain proper wheel alignment to prevent unnecessary strain on your tires, which can result in irregular wear patterns. In the summer, roads can be littered with debris, so make sure to keep an eye out for any punctures or nails stuck in your tires. Consider investing in a set of quality summer tires that are specifically designed for hot weather conditions. Your tires will thank you. Before hitting the road, be sure to remove any unnecessary weight from your vehicle, as it can put extra strain on your tires. Properly storing your tires during the summer months is crucial to maintaining their integrity, so keep them away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. And finally, don't let your tires become a laughing matter. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you all summer long. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content.